Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic rocking chair that this brand sent to me for this video. It feels really nice, I have to say, that kind of like rocking right here in my patio or the entrance of my house or kind of my front porch or something like that. Feels really, really good. Let's talk about the assembly of this chair. Everything is super easy. I actually left some of the letters that comes with kind of like the stickers so you can actually see how important those are, because it says A goes with B, C goes with D, and that's it. You're not going to have any issues. I think it took me probably 20 minutes or 25 minutes with power tools. Super easy. It comes with just 2 sets of screws, big ones of course, but it doesn't come with just like tons of them. So right here you're gonna find everything you need. And then the other good thing about this one is how big it is. It is so big. It is heavy. I have to say it's a heavy chair, but it's so big that supports 380 pounds. So that is a lot of weight if you ask me for the size of this chair, which, by the way, again, it is so comfy and so nice to feel that you're rocking and chilling in your patio. Let's just take a closer look. So things that I like about this chair: number one, the structure. Number one, how firm it is. It's super firm, so it's going to withstand all that weight that I was just telling you before. The other good thing about this one is this right here are the materials. This one actually are going to also withstand the conditions of the weather. So you can leave them outside for hail, for rain, for snow, whatever, because it looks like wood. Trust me, it really looks like wood, but this one, it is plastic. It is a heavy duty plastic, so you're not going to have any issues with the color. You're not going to have any issues with the weather. You're not going to have any issues at all with just like leaving it outside. You can cover it if you want. You just put a cover if you want, but it's not necessary. And then, as I was telling you before, this is indeed a heavy chair. 380 pounds, easy assemble, but the best thing, again, it is the rocking feel. Just, I don't know how it is, but it feels so nice to just be rocking right here. It has kind of like a wider set of, I think I want to say like a wide set of armrests over here, so you can actually rest your arms properly. And of course you can put your legs over here, or you can put them right here in the footrest, or you can just like put them in the floor and just like do this. I really like this chair. I think it's super comfy, easy to assemble, 380 pounds, and you can just like leave them outside and forget about it. Just get 1, 2, as many as you want. These ones are your next rocking chairs, 100%.